Have you ever dreamed of earning passive income by sharing your knowledge? In today's video, we'll guide you through the steps to create and sell online courses that can generate income while you sleep. If you're ready to turn your expertise into an evergreen source of revenue, this is the video for you. In today's digital age, online learning has become an essential part of personal and professional development. As the demand for accessible education continues to rise, creating and selling online courses presents a profitable opportunity to generate passive income. Whether you're an expert in a specific field, have a hobby you're passionate about, or possess unique skills, the internet offers an ideal platform to share your knowledge and monetize it. This guide will walk you through the steps to create and sell online courses for passive income, along with tips on how to succeed in this business model. 1. Identify your niche. The first step in creating a successful online course is identifying your niche. You need to choose a subject you're both knowledgeable and passionate about. Think about areas where you have expertise or skills that others might want to learn. This could be anything from coding, graphic design, digital marketing, to yoga, cooking, or even personal development. Research the market to see if there's demand for your chosen topic. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Skillshare allow you to explore existing courses and gauge what's popular. Don't be afraid to carve out a niche within a niche. Targeting a specific audience can often yield better results than creating a broad general course. 2. Define your target audience. Understanding your target audience is crucial when designing your course. Think about who will benefit the most from your content. Are they beginners or advanced learners? What specific problems are they trying to solve? What are their learning preferences? By defining your target audience, you can tailor the course content and presentation style to suit their needs. If your audience is primarily beginners, for example, you'll want to make sure the course is easy to follow and jargon-free. If you're targeting professionals, you can go deeper into advanced concepts and include case studies. 3. Choose the right course format. Online courses can take several forms. Deciding on the best format for your course will depend on the type of content you're delivering and your audience's learning preferences. Video lessons are the most popular format for online courses and are ideal for explaining complex concepts or demonstrating skills. Video allows you to engage students with both visual and auditory elements, making learning more dynamic. Text-based lessons can be ideal for subjects that don't require visuals. This might include ebooks, PDFs, and written explanations. Audio lessons allow students to listen to your course while commuting or exercising. This format works well for podcast-style courses or lessons that focus on discussions and theory. Interactive quizzes and assignments can help students test their knowledge and stay engaged throughout the course. These assessments also give them a sense of achievement as they progress. Live sessions, such as webinars, can provide a personal touch and allow you to engage with your students in real time. However, this format requires more effort and isn't as passive as other methods, but it can be great for building community and offering personalized feedback. 4. Plan your course content. Planning your course content is the backbone of creating a high-quality online course. Break down your topic into digestible modules or lessons, starting with the basics and gradually moving toward more advanced concepts. Each lesson should build upon the previous one, so students can follow a clear, logical progression. Organize your course into modules that group similar lessons together. This makes the course easier to follow and more structured. Use a variety of teaching methods like videos, slides, downloadable resources, and interactive quizzes to cater to different learning styles. Aim to keep each lesson between 5 to 15 minutes to avoid overwhelming your audience. Incorporating hands-on assignments or exercises can help reinforce what students are learning and improve retention. 5. Create high-quality course materials. Once you have your course plan in place, it's time to create the content. Quality matters here. Well-produced videos, clear audio, and professional-looking slides can make a big difference in how students perceive your course. You don't need expensive equipment to create high-quality videos. A good webcam, microphone, and screen recording software can work wonders. If you're recording yourself, ensure you have good lighting and a clean background. Use video editing software to trim unnecessary parts, add captions, and ensure the flow of the course is smooth. For creating slides, tools like PowerPoint or Google Slides are great for creating visually appealing slides. Keep the design simple, clean, and avoid cluttered slides that may distract from your message. When it comes to hosting your course, platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Udemy provide an easy way to host and sell your course. They also offer built-in tools to help you create quizzes, track student progress, and market your course to a wider audience. 6. Set the right price. Pricing your course appropriately is key to attracting students while ensuring you make a profit. Look at similar courses to gauge the market rate. Generally, courses can range from $10 to $500 or more, depending on the length, depth, and expertise required. You can also consider offering tiered pricing. For instance, a basic version of your course could cost less, while a premium version could include additional content, personal coaching, or access to exclusive resources. Additionally, offering discounts or promotional prices during the launch phase can help generate initial sales and positive reviews. 7. Market your course. Now that your course is ready, it's time to market it. Creating high-quality content is only part of the equation. You need to get the word out and attract students. One strategy is email marketing. Build an email list and send out newsletters with valuable content related to your course. You can offer free resources or mini-courses to build trust with your audience before promoting your paid course. Social media is another powerful tool for marketing your course. Share your course on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter. You can use targeted ads to reach your ideal audience or leverage influencers to promote your course. Starting a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast to create valuable content around the subject of your course can help you attract students. By establishing yourself as an expert, you can build trust and interest in your course. Affiliate marketing is another strategy. Partner with other creators or influencers in your niche to promote your course and offer them a commission for every sale they generate. This can help you expand your reach and grow your student base. 8. Automate and scale your course. The beauty of online courses is their potential for passive income. Once you've created your course and attracted an audience, the next step is to automate the sales process. You can set up automated emails to send to people who sign up for your course or download free resources. These emails can nurture leads and eventually convert them into paying customers. Create an optimized sales page that explains the value of your course, showcases testimonials, and includes a clear call to action. You can use tools like lead pages or ClickFunnels to design professional sales pages. Using paid ads like Facebook, Google, or YouTube ads can also drive targeted traffic to your course and bring in more students on autopilot. Ready to take your freelancing career to the next level? Visit our website at wetransformacademyhub.com or check the link in the description for more resources and guidance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building a successful online business. See you next time.